Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Secrets of Successful Trading and Investing, that is SSTI. Today via this video I am going to share my experience with silver trading, purely based on my past couple of weeks of experience where I am making a successful trade on this script. So basically, I'm going to share a couple of things. The one is the overall analysis, that is little bit long-term analysis, and also what is happening in the recent past, and what should be the future move. Please note that this is based on my experience and my analysis. Whenever you wanted to trade, please make your own analysis before you trade. So for any scripts, when I do analysis, I look at little bit bigger picture of the script. So especially in silver, I find the 4 hour view is much better while plotting the the trend lines or the Elliott wave, etc., and also putting into support and resistances. So if you look at, I have already highlighted kind of Elliott waves on this graph, along with the historical support and resistances. So if I look at from the recent past, that is after this COVID fall, I'm starting somewhere from here. So if I'm starting from here, it looks like the press new wave one is starting from here, making it one, two, and this big one is three. Here kind of a side move four, and this is the peak point five. After that, it has been a sideways trend with multiple combination of the waves. Okay, so and in the recent couple of weeks, or can say few weeks back, there was the biggest fall happened. So before the biggest fall, uh, we are just trying to understand that, okay, if there is any signal which market has already provided before this fall. So if you look at till month of August, this silver is making higher high and lower high. That is, it was mostly in a uptrending market, but in month of August it reached at peak, and it did the correction via ABC, and after that it has been in a sideways via 1 2 3 4 5, and followed by a ABC correction, then some ABCDE sideways, and again it is going to impulse wave 1 2 3 4 5, and one more time here there is a correction. So if you look at the correction over here, it seems uh, kind of a new way of doing the correction. So normally whenever any uptrending stock do the correction, mostly it does via ABC. However, in the recent past, this is the first time I can say the correction happened via 1 2 3 4 5 rather than ABC. So here it is giving us a cautious sign that it may be possible that this silver is going to reverse its trend. Okay, but it is the price has not yet confirmed the same. But after this 1 2 3 4 5 correction, if you look at, the next correction is happening via A B C D E, and after that there is again went to the side mode. So if we look at the MACD at this point of time, so the price here is making a lower high, and at the same time this MACD is also kind of showing at uh, you know uh, lower low basically. So till the time it is, I mean, MACD and both are matching together. However, if we look at this particular area, it's after the E wave, so the price is making lower low. So as we mentioned here earlier, this point of time it is giving us a kind of a cautious sign that okay, the trend may going to reverse from here. And from here if you look at, there is looks like some kind of a um, consolidation is happening. A lot of neutral kind of candle, it is making here, and after that a big recent fall happened. So if we analyze this fall, so it seems it is like we want 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is basically again one more time. This correction is not happening via 1, 2, 3, 4, not happening via ABC. It is rather it is happening via 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this before this big fall happens, the market has already given a sign via this correction that okay, the next trend may going to reverse, okay, and which is confirmed by this particular fall. So after this one, if we look at the silver move, it is slowly kind of uptrending with Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and here again is a kind of a correction. So this correction again, I think uh, it seems it looks like a ABC correction. Okay, so I'm not trying to force fit any corrective wave, but just trying to represent via Elliott wave what is happening. And after this ABC correction, the price is again going up via 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Um, so mostly what I have observed, especially in silver, is a lot of places whenever the correction is happening and when market is going to sidewave, I'm observing there is more lot of time this uh, via in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mostly the 2 or 4, it it is going to be a ABC correction. So here this zigzag correction, this zigzag move up and down is a mostly in the form of ABCDE. And same thing if you look at here second wave, again it is happening via ABCDE. So as of now, we are somewhere here, and we are just trying to understand what is happening here. So this particular chart is on 4 hour time frame. Let us look at this same chart in little lower time frame. So this is the under view of 1 hour time frame, and in my recent days, I have traded the silver sometime last week. So I'll just show you where I have traded. So um, when when that silver was in up move, okay, and somewhere I think I traded in this area. So when the price was making higher high after this third and fourth, uh, so somehow I at this point of time I kind of misinterpreted. It was going to be uh, late evening before the market close. Basically, if you look at the time, this is somewhere not able to confirm, but yeah, it was something late evening or so. So somewhere by looking at the wave and by looking at the RSI data and MACD data, it's kind of given me a early sign that okay, the trend is going to reverse from here, and then I took an entry here somewhere late evening. However, it went into the EDT mode, that is the ending diagonal triangle, and then I needed to wait little bit extra time, and basically I did a short sell, and when it price reverse from here, uh, um, and then and when it is jumped, I mean it came down from this top, and then got reversed. Somewhere I exited somewhere here. Okay, and after that it went to the side mode again. Uh, via A B C D E correction. So if we can plot the A B C D correction, I will show you how it looks like here. um, so if you look at it, is happening A B C D, and this is kind of a ER. Okay, so yeah, and after that there is one more fall happen. So after this correction, I took entry here and I exited somewhere here. So depending on this retracement of B, I calculated the approximate you know uh, depth of this B wave, and based on that I exited. So basically after this fall, I thought the price will come up to here, but after that when it made a uh, kind of a bullish candle, and I was observing this one in lower time frame, I think in 15 minutes or so. So I'll just show you the 15-minute chart as well. So yes, so in 15-minute chart time frame, I got exited somewhere from somewhere here, and since then the price again it again went for a correction, and somewhere I entered after this confirmation. Okay, and this is the some good trade I made here, and this is the direct fall, and it looks like it is via 1 2 3 4 5 correction. So I can plot, uh, maybe this is 1 2 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So if you look at to retrace almost here, I can say more than 78%, and that is the one of the explanation or reason that okay, the length of uh, third wave is around maybe 4.2 times of length of A. So again here the resistance line was again marked up to this level in advance, and the price also gave me a confirmation. Okay, that is the end of fifth wave, and I got exited here. So let us try to understand what is happening at the moment. So for that I will again go to 4 hour time frame to understand what is happening at the moment. So so this is the recent fall which happened um, via. So by looking at this fall and they move so far, it looks like a kind of a B C correction, and in between this zigzag move, if you see this zigzag move or sideways is mostly looks like something like A B C correction. So A B C D, and this is something like E. That is what it is looking to me. I may be wrong also, but as per the chart, if I can plot, this is what it is showing. So if this fall is A and this is B, most probably the next it may go to another C correction, that is the last leg of ABC. And here in the higher time frame also, the A is showing the sharp move via A, sorry, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and this very sluggish movement. So we know that okay, normally it happens in 2 4 or B, and by looking at this move, this cannot be okay, this may be a 2 or 4 in higher time frame, but in this movement it is looks like a B correction. Okay, so if that is the B, then what could be the next? We will try to understand that part. So for that, if I go to the next lower time frame of 15 minutes to understand what is happening here. So this one is that recent big fall, and after that it is the A B C D E correction somewhere in a sideways trend, and after that the one fall has been already started. So as I explained earlier, uh, if this is A and this is the B, the next could be C. So currently it looks like it has been, silver has been already entered into the C, and if we look into closely into this one, so it seems uh, it is kind of a into downward trend, and it may be possible that okay, this could be a sorry one, maybe this could be two, sideways trend something, three, and again sideways four and five. This might be one of the possibility. However, the price is to confirm the same. Okay, so the another point, if I look at the MACD part, MACD is also shown here a negative crossover, that means a trend reversal, and here in this move it is looking like kind of a sideways, and at the moment is again it is down tick, sorry, little up tick. So it may be, it looks like it looks like the correction 2 is happening via A B C D E. So most probably it happens via A B C or A B C D E. And by looking at some of the previous corrections of 2 or 4, if we go to the any one of the previous one, so yeah, it looks like either one, A B C or 1 2 3 4 5. By looking at the move of the recent, if it is 2, then it looks like it is some sort of uh, one, sorry, ABC type of movement happening, something like uh, C, D, and E, something like that. We are not sure. The price will confirm that part, or it could be that this 2 has already completed and it might be a part of 3 1. So let us wait for tomorrow and the price will confirm what is going to happen. So this is my view on silver next move. However, please, I would suggest please do your own analysis before trading on this particular script. And uh, if you wanted me to analyze any one of the stock and share my view on that, please leave your comment below the comment section. I will try to make the video on the same to share with you all my opinion about this script, and also share your view, what you think, that okay, what is happening in silver, if any one of you is trading, and then see you till the time we meet next. Thank you.